American dream, American pie, and slice it out. Fuck that, I got my own dreams. Hit it with a baseball bat. When you coming at me like a fiend, I'ma roll that. I'ma roll it up like a joint, smoke that. Pass it to the number of my homies hit that. Y'all didn't understand that this place is nowhere for disgrace. You need to stand powerful in your place. And well, who said that you was cemented from the toes up and down? Know that this is the place to hold it down. And we will get the ball for our backside. All of my people might strive, but in the end, we gonna make it right. Right. I said we getting up our backside, but in the end, all my people gonna survive. This sounds so wack.